Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video, we're going to be doing an engine air filter for a 2015 Camry. This is for all the years listed right here on the screen, but it's a quick, easy job. There's going to be a link in the description down below, so you guys can go pick up the air filter for this. It's like 10 bucks, I think. So yeah, super quick, easy, cheap to do, and the dealerships will try to rip you off. So definitely do it yourself. All right, so to replace the engine air filter is super easy. There's these two metal clips. You're just gonna go ahead and pull them back. This one comes forward, and you're gonna lift up the entire right side of this. And then once you have it up a little bit, you can go ahead and pull the filter right out. All right, so then the new filter is gonna have like a corner on one side, and it's like rounded on all the others. That top corner actually goes on the, kind of like this back corner back here whenever you hook it into place. So you're gonna go ahead and lift this back up. You're gonna set that corner down where it's sitting back there. And then you're just gonna go ahead and drop it back down. And then on this left side, there's gonna be these like plastic kind of loops, and then there's little pieces that stick out. So whenever you put the box back in place, just make sure that you get those to go right back through those, just like that. And then it will sit flush. And then you can go ahead and flip those little metal clips back up into place. And just like that, the engine air filter is done. All right guys, so that's such an easy job. If this video helped you guys out, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if you guys want to pick up the filters, they're on Amazon. They're like 10 bucks. Super quick, easy job. Definitely don't get scammed by the dealerships because they will charge you like a crazy amount to replace this. So also there's a K&N filter that you can get for this. It's about like 50 bucks. It is a lifetime filter. You can actually take it out, rinse it, and reuse it. So if you guys want to check that out, there's gonna be links in the description down below for the one I just put in, which is the one-time use, and then the lifetime filter, also linked down in the description down below. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.